Namaste everyone, this is Shraddha and welcome to my channel all about lifestyle. This is my first video today. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you all how you can make a Zen corner of your living room, or you can just lighten up your corners as Diwali is just around the corner. So without further ado, let's get started. So here is the empty corner of my living room where I've placed a Buddha statue on an earthen stool. And these two I bought from a local market. Now it's time to use some indoor plants. This one is a pothos. As plants give you energy and positive vibes at home, and they will also serve the decor purpose. And yeah, I've painted the pots earlier and they are going well with my curtains. After adjusting the pots which I painted earlier, now it's time to use a cane basket. This one is a cane basket which I purchased in an exhibition. I'm using it as a plant holder. Now you can see the yellow color is giving such a vibrant view. There's a succulent, also got his place there. Now all the plants are beautifully arranged, complementing each other. Now it's time to use some fairy lights. This one I bought from a local market, you can also get easily. Now what I'm doing here, I'm just arranging the light. All around the plants. You can see that I'm arranging it all around the plants, scattering it down so that my plants won't get any damage from the light. Yeah, being very careful with my plants. Now I'm wrapping some light all over my Buddha statue. See, everything is just perfectly arranged. It's done. Voila, see the glittering light view. Making simple corners such a Zen place. Let me give you an overview. I'm so happy that it came out so well and also ready for a Diwali decor. The Buddha statue, the light and the lush green plants, everything is just a perfect combo. Now let me give you an overview how it looks at night. Hope you have enjoyed the video, and if you like the video, please do like and share the video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon button so that you get notified with every new video. Thank you and bye bye. We'll see you in my next video.